Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss or explore the world of data analysis. Now, what data analysis is? As we are able to understand the meaning of these two words, means we are going to analyze the data to take out the useful information. Okay. Now, as we exploring the word data, can you please tell me what data is? Data is everywhere, okay, as we are producing a huge amounts of the data every day. Now the question arises, how are we producing the data? As we are doing the daily grocery shopping, logging into your Facebook account or other social apps, and we are writing the blogs or doing transactions in the bank. What is this? These are all we are accumulating the data. Okay, data surrounds us. So we need to analyze the data to extract the conclusions from it. Data is just a number or a word or a time. But after processing the data, it becomes the information. Information becomes the knowledge, okay, which helps in our future outcomes. So we need to extract the knowledge from the data, which is present. Okay. So in this video, we are going to see the definition or the importance of the data analytics in the real world. Okay. As per the definition, what we are going to do, we are going to examine the data, clean the data, transforming the data, and modeling the data to discover the useful information. Okay, means we are going to make the raw data into our decision making process or the actionable insights. Okay. Now, let's see the importance of the data analytics. The very first thing is we are able to take the decision as we are dealing with the data. We are seeing the past trends of the data, then we are able to take the firm decision for our future outcomes. Okay. For example, if we talk about a company is able to see the trends, the past trends, so that we are able to set the future trends accordingly by observing the customer behavior, their preferences for the product. Okay, so they are able to take the informed and the firm decision to make themselves grow. Right? Second is improved efficiency. If they are able to take the decision correctly and they are able to make them happen, then their efficiency grows day by day because it will make their future bright. If the efficiency increases, then the cost of making that particular product by observing the trends, the rate decreases. Okay, the cost of making that product decreases and the profit simultaneously for the company increases. Next is the strategic plan. See, if we observe all the insights and make a strategic plan, a roadmap for the future outcomes, then it will boost our income. So strategic planning is necessary. Okay. So strategic planning comes when we analyze the past or the current trends by observing the preferences of the buyers. Okay, and understanding how to take the leads. So, strategic planning is really necessary, which can happen with the help of the data analytics. Next is the business growth. Obviously, if we are planning the things very well, then the business will grow automatically. And the last is the problem detection. So, if we observe the past problems, past difficulties in a depth, then we are able to predict the errors which will come in the future, so that we are able to prepare yourself for that particular errors or the problems which will occur, right? So, data analytics is really an important process. So, I want you to learn this data analytics. So, I am going to provide you the full course with the help of the Python programming language. So today I'm going. I have told you about its importance. In the next class, we are going to discuss what are the steps we are going to take for the data analytics. So I hope you like my video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.